Hello everyone. Today we look into a different aspect of COVID, that is the situations in which we are and the risk of acquiring COVID infection. Just to get the feel of it, the duration of exposure to get tuberculosis is about 8 hours, whereas COVID infection is about 10 to 30 minutes. Any situation can be categorized as low risk situation or high risk situation depending on the 3Ds, that is doors, whether you are indoor or outdoor, the density of population, whether it is high or low, and duration of exposure, which is less or more. To infect a person, the virus needs a dose, means about 1000 viral particles are required to infect a person from another person. The typical environmental spread, if you look at it, if someone is breathing, we may exchange about 20 viral particles per minute. When you speak, it could be about 200 viral particles per minute. It could be more if you are singing. If someone is coughing or sneezing, the exchange of viral particles in the environment could be about 200 million virus particles. So that's why the enhanced protection we impose for coughing and sneezing. Is there a formula for infection risk and its severity? So if you want to really look at it mathematically, the exposure to virus into the time plus the viral load defines the severity of the infection. So how do we classify the scenario as low, moderate, high risk? So if you look at those 3D principles and then apply to it, the low risk categories are those with our well ventilated spaces. Someone is passing by you when someone is jogging or running, or when you're talking to someone but maintaining good distance and wearing the mask. They are all low risk areas. So any precaution to take? Yes, limit the time and continue to do the 5 commandments. The moderate risk is when you go for grocery shopping. Therefore, you limit the time there too and always follow the rules. Which are high risk? Restaurants, public bathrooms, and common areas and indoor spaces when we use. The risk of fomite or surface transmission is high, and that is considered as a higher risk area. Very high risk areas are the areas where it is closed spaces like workplaces, schools, some concerts, if you're attending some functions, parties, weddings, because there is a problem to avoid people from being in close contact with you. So best thing is to avoid such circumstances or if possible use an online platform. Thank you everyone.